What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another Cars diecast review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Sheriff from the 2020 Cars diecast collection. He is part of the Radiator Spring series. I do have a Sheriff car already, but the one that I already have was from, let's see, 12 to 13 years, about 13 years ago, and he's been well played with since I was a little boy. So this is why I bought a replacement of my Sheriff car. So the back here shows you other cars like Greta, Sheriff himself, which is what I'm reviewing, Doc Hudson, and Fillmore. So here's the description. If you want to read, you can pause for a brief moment. So we're going to be I'm going to be taking him out of the package, and I will show him up close here in a minute. So I will be right back. So there he is out of the package. He is a 1/55 scale diecast, made original by Mattel. And he is actually made in Thailand. Well, my previous Sheriff was made in Thailand also, so they were both made in Thailand. His bumper and his grille are chromier. They have more chrome than the China-made Sheriff cars, which is what I like, which is nice about him. His eyes are plastic and a little grainy here. So here's a quick comparison with my old Sheriff car. Obviously, my old Sheriff car is all beaten up, well played with when I was a little boy. So now I have a replacement Sheriff that I can better take care of since I'm older. So yeah, the bumpers and the chrome are definitely the silver. Let's see, yeah, so he has more silver on his older counterpart, but the new counterpart has more chrome, and he looks a lot more shiny and glossier. So I think I like the new one better. And that's pretty much it. Here's the license plate. So that's pretty much it for Sheriff. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it as much as I do, and don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll never miss any new content released by my channel. Thank you again, and I will see you next time. Goodbye now.